Hi, this is Jason again with PTCI. We are in the SmartHub app again, and now we are looking at the Notifications tab. Now the Notifications page is where you can use this to set up different notifications about your activity in your billing account. Okay? If we go down here to where it says Billing, and click on that. First, you select your account. Okay? Tell you the number and what phone number it's tied to. And then below here, you can set up these different notifications, like a billing change. This one is a notification to inform you when you change your billing options from SmartHub. Okay? So you can set it up to receive a text message or email. You can also set a reminder up for your credit card when it expires. You can set it up when your auto pay is declined, non-pay disconnect, payment confirmation, scheduled payment notification, telecom bill availability, and unsuccessful payment notifications. And like we said, that can come as a text message, or you can receive that as an email. They're also in notifications is the Miscellaneous tab. And that's got notifications for auto pay, hint question change, login credential changes, personal info change, a trouble ticket, or to unsubscribe. So those are the features in the Notifications tab of SmartHub.